Hi, I'm doing a KnitCrate yarn giveaway. The links are down below in the description, and if you'd like to join under me, you can put in promo code JEWEL20. You get your first month 20% off, and the links are down below. You get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns. So I'm about to show you the giveaway, and so you can participate if you like to. Alright, so let's get started.
I am doing this KnitCrate yarn giveaway, and in here are 2 skeins of yarn. And this giveaway, all you need to do is be a subscriber and then comment down below something crochet related, maybe a video you'd like to see or something you're working on. Come back in a week or two, I think it's about probably 2 weeks, and I'll pick the winner. So this 2 skeins of yarn, if you'd like to be a member for the KnitCrate, the links are down below. You get 20% off your first month if you put in the promo code JEWEL20. And so this is 34% cotton, linen, then the nylon. It's very nice, like cream white, multicolored, light brown, really pretty. So you'll get these 2. And just make sure you're a subscriber. I have a Facebook group and page if you'd like to join. That's down below. Okay, so just thank you everybody for watching, and please come back to see if you're the winner.